am making crab baked mac and cheese. And the ingredients that you're going to need is about a half a pound of macaroni. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of butter. So there. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of flour, a tablespoon of mustard, 3 cups of milk. If you notice, I use canned carnation doing my mac and cheese. I don't use regular milk. And I found that for $1. You can use a half a cup of onions. I don't put that in. A bay leaf, which has already been in. Paprika, which is over there. I got some adobo seasoning, some Old Bay for the crab. What I did is, instead of me buying a can, I bought crab legs, and right here, I have gotten about a pound of crab meat. Nice, thick, fresh crab meat. Now, over here is my cheese, and this is white cheddar cheese. White cheese go better with seafood. White cheddar cheese is pretty expensive, but I found it at Aldi's for $1.69, and that's right there. I also got me a little bit of trio blend because I wanted that little Swiss, New York, American kind of flavor. So there's that sharp white. There's the trio. And I got some breadcrumbs. Y'all know I get that at Dollar Tree. And that's for my topping. So what we're going to do now is we're going to preheat that oven to 350. We're going to need a baking dish like that over there. And then we're going to cook our pasta al dente, of course. We're going to melt some butter with some flour, all of that, put it together, stir in the milk, onion, bay leaf, paprika. We're going to simmer for 10 minutes, and we're going to temper an egg, and that's all in here. So now I'm going to mix the cheese and the crab, and we're going to put it in the dish. Now make sure when you get ahead and mix this all together that you keep this mix, because you don't want it to clunk up while you're adding the rest of your ingredients. Okay, now I'm stirring in the cheese, and I'm just folding and some crab. Add the crab a little bit at a time, because you want the crab to be distributed through the whole dish. So you want it every time somebody grabs some mac and cheese that they get some crab as well. Understand the egg is already in here. And it was 1 large egg or 2 small medium. And make sure if you use fresh crab instead of crab in a can, that you make sure all the bones in the shell is in it and out of it. You don't want anybody to bite down on a shell. And you just fold it in and just keep on adding a little bit at a time. Okay, and now we're going to put it in that dish over there and sprinkle some cheese on top, and we'll be ready to go. Okay, now I'm going to add this. Make sure you get a pan. I normally use a bigger, longer pan than this, but make sure that you butter this down. I use a butter spray, so I use some butter spray, but you can use any kind of spray. And you put a layer in, and then once you get a layer going, you want to sprinkle it with some more cheese. And that's what I'm going to do. Sprinkle each layer as I go in. And this should take about maybe 3 layers. You know, I don't want to get too much yellow cheese. So there's that. Then I'm going to put some more. This is not a healthy dish. This is a dish to treat yourself. That's what this dish is. Or to make it special for a holiday or a special occasion like an anniversary. Something different from the normal mac and cheese. Make sure we get that in there. And then we're going to keep on doing that and sprinkle it until it's full. And then we're going to add some breadcrumbs on top. So we'll be back. Okay, I got my cheddar cheese on top. You can see that crab meat going through there. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of my breadcrumbs on top for a nice top crust. This stays in the oven for 30 minutes. Some people melt butter and they put it with the breadcrumbs and then they put it on top. I got enough butter and milk and heavy fatness stuff in here. I'm just going to sprinkle some on the top. There we go. We'll see you when you come out the oven.